Hello everyone, this is Paradox bringing you another great video about the game Seal M, which is part of the Cross network and is extremely hyped right now. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about pets for all classes and how to start the game the right way without making mistakes. If you are a free-to-play player, you definitely need to watch this video, as it will help you a lot with your progression. As you can see, my current combat power is 66,000. This is because I removed my equipped pets to show you how much they actually impact your combat power and stats. Now I am going to equip my pets so you can clearly see the difference and the boost they provide to both combat power and stats. It is a very big difference, and remember, I achieved all of this completely free to play in the game. I will explain how in a moment, but if you are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more content like this. Because of the partnership between Seal M and the Cross Chain, and since the server has recently launched, it is currently giving out many free summons, both for pets and costumes. This makes it very easy to re-roll and start with the pets that your class needs. However, there is something important that you need to understand, something you may not have noticed yet. For the first 3 pet slots, you can equip common pets that you obtain through summons or daily missions. However, for the 4th and 5th slots, the pet must be a premium pet. These premium pets, also known as shine pets, are extremely rare and are core for most classes. For example, the dragon is essential for classes that use magic attack. If you are playing as a free-to-play player, re-rolling to get this pet will make your progression much easier. The good part is that you do not need to get it as a legendary right away. You can re-roll to obtain the rare or epic version and then evolve it from there. I will show you with this other account of mine, which has more pets, how to evolve your pet after you finish the re-roll. You need to go to the NPC Iriel, who is located in the main city of Elim. There, you can exchange the points you earn from daily missions for packages that contain common and uncommon pets. Soon, I will also bring a guide on the daily activities you should do to make your progression easier. These daily missions are extremely important, because if you are a free-to-play player, this will basically be your only way to obtain a large amount of resources to evolve your pets. So this is something you should do every single day. An important tip. When you are doing re-rolls, if you are playing a magic class, try to focus on getting the dragon pet, even if it is in its rare or epic form. If you are playing a physical damage class, focus on getting the Valkyrie. It is not very difficult. On each account I re-rolled, I usually got these essential pets within the 2nd or 3rd attempt, which is enough to start the game strong. Now I am going to evolve the fox pet, which is one of the shine or premium pets, to show you how the system works. First, you need to level up the pet you want to evolve to the maximum level. After that, you click on Evolve. To evolve from rare to epic, you need 30 heart of small pet, which you obtain by synthesizing pets that you will not use, such as the common and uncommon pets you get from daily missions. After that, you will follow the same process to evolve the pet from epic to legendary. It is very simple, right? That is everything you need to know about pets. If you still have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will help as soon as I can. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, as more guides like this will be coming in the next videos. Take care and see you next time.